Hey guys, I decided to make this video because my friends needed something to make fun of me about. Today I've got a Collectible Card Club gold box. This is the base level. I've been getting these for a couple of months. Last month it was about $30 for this box, but as with everything, suddenly the price jumped up to $42 for the same amount of packs. So let's just dig in and see what we have here. Hey, it's July, and the box is exploding with hits. I did have good luck last month. I pulled a Ndamukong Suh low number RPA worth, probably $40 or so on eBay. Score 2020, this I believe is a retail pack. 2013 SP Authentic, 2015 Topps Hobby. The SP Authentic was Hobby as well. Upper Deck 2008 Hobby, Prestige 2014 Hobby, 2013 Contenders Hobby, 2010 Topps Platinum Hobby, 2019 Donruss, and I don't see a note. Oh, Hobby. There it is on the back. Score 2000. I must be the only one not seeing the date on here. Well, leave in the comments if I just can't see the date. And finally, 2014 Topps Hobby. I think that's more packs than I got before. That's quite the collection. They do promise at Collectible Card Club mostly hobby packs, which it looks like this Score is the only retail pack I got. So we'll just see what's in here. Got Jordan Poyer, Von Miller, Daniel Jones, Marcus Davenport, Tyler Lockett. Oh, Derrick Henry, number 5 out of 100, showcase parallel. So this might actually be a hobby pack. I don't very often see the serial numbered cards in retail. Amari Cooper, Houston Texans, doing the one celebration they got to do during the Chiefs game. Anthony Gordon rookie, and a KJ Hamler rookie. Decent pack. That Derrick Henry card worth a couple bucks there. I'm not really going to go in any specific order. We'll do the 2013 Contenders. I don't want to make this video too ridiculously long. Alright, 2013 Contenders. We've got Golden Tate, LaShawn McCoy, Frank Gore, Eli Manning, and Matt Forte. Nothing crazy or out of the ordinary in that pack. That's all right. We'll try 2014 Prestige. Prestige is retail only now, but in 2014 they did have the hobby version. I think I like collecting football cards because out of all the hobbies, it's really impossible to be good at. Like, golf is a hobby, but I'm not good at that. Video games are a hobby. I'm not good at that. But with football cards, you can't not be good. Just unlucky. All right, 2014 Prestige, Vontaze Burfict. That's one for the PC, for the Bengals. Kendall Wright. Michael Vick. All right. Hey, we got Colin Kaepernick. Not a rookie card, but I'll add that to my PC. Big fan of Cap. Marion Grice. Greg Jennings. Martellus Bennett, and Brandon Marshall. Nothing major in that pack. 2008 Upper Deck. Upper Deck, which does not make football cards anymore. That's a big pack. Guess they lost the license to make NFL cards, rather. Oh, some of these are stuck together. It's an old pack. Brett Favre doing a victory carry there. Steve Smith. Oh boy. I don't think any of these are that valuable, luckily, if they get stuck. Bubba Franks. Hey, Hushmanzada. There's one for the PC. Golly. All right, Greg Ellis. Algie Crumpler. Ernie Sims. Troy Polamalu. John Beck. Man, I know that sound is the nightmare of card collectors. Jamal Williams. Wow. Teddy Brucey. Vince Young. Charles Grant. DJ Hackett. We got something thick in there. I don't know if Upper Deck did jersey cards back in 2008. Eli Manning, and that's a great picture. I think we all know where that photo's from, and most of the world was celebrating that game. Got masterpieces. Gale Sayers, nice little canvas style card. And our thick card is not a jersey card, it is a Upper Deck preview. Fantastic. Colt Brennan, Star Rookies. Trevor Laws. Oof. Hey, Jamal Charles. And Dennis Keys. Nothing crazy in that pack. It unfortunately took forever because they were stuck together. All right, we are going to go with 2015 Topps. The last year that Topps made NFL cards. Let's see what we can get here. Mohamed Sanu. Eli Manning. Doug Baldwin. Le'Veon Bell. Kelvin Benjamin. Cam Chancellor. Jeremy Curley. Leonard Williams. Devin Smith. And Jordan Phillips. Yeah, I'm not getting as lucky with this box as I did with the last one. This is about the halfway point here. This is the 2013 SP Authentic. So again, this was $42 with shipping for this box here. Let's see, we've got Sharif Floyd, Matt Barkley, EJ Manuel, Ezekiel Ansah. Oh, an extra thick canvas card of TJ McDonald. Not numbered, it's just, looks like 130 point. Kobe Hamilton. I think he ended up getting drafted by the Bengals, actually. Jonathan Franklin and Theo Riddick. All right, so far, the retail pack was the only thing that had anything decent. Let's try the 2014 Topps. We'll see what happens here. Jeremy Curley, Sidney Rice, Ben Roethlisberger, AJ, that's just Bengals, not AJ Green necessarily, just Bengals. Calvin Johnson in the snow. That's a nice picture. 1,000-Yard Club, Marshawn Lynch. A mini card of Russell Wilson. Jason Peters, All-Pro. Silas Red, rookie card. And a Derek Carr rookie. All right, we got 3 packs left. Let's try this score where I couldn't find the year. Actually, this might also be a retail blaster pack. Could be why it doesn't have the year on it. Could have just been out of one of those Walmart boxes. These are 2016. All right, let's see if we can break the bad luck streak here. Devin Hester, Rashad Johnson, DeAndre Hopkins, Richard Rodgers, Trumaine Johnson, a scorecard of Jerick McKinnon, not numbered. No Fly Zone, Richard Sherman. Julian Edelman, Wes Welker Reflections. Sidelines, Russell Wilson. Nate Sudfeld, rookie. Jalen Marshall, rookie. And Malcolm Mitchell, rookie. Okay, 2 packs left to make this worth it. Let's try the 2010 Topps Platinum. Man, last week at this point, last month, I had already had 2 autographs, a couple of low serial numbered cards. Oh, Matt Castle, that's not worth it. Cedric Benson, Maurice Jones-Drew, a Ben Tate rookie card, and it is stuck to a Marty Gilliard rookie card. Wow. All right, last pack. We've got 2019 Donruss Hobby. There better be a 1 of 1 or something in here. We've got, it's filler. Well, no RPA. Got Jimmy Graham, Steve Largent, Miles Jack, Tariq Cohen, Tevin Coleman, Kenny Golladay, Doug Baldwin, T.Y. Hilton. Looks like we did get an autograph. Zach Martin. Oh, it's not an autograph. It's just an insert. Jarrett Stidham, Gridiron Kings, and a Marcus Green rookie. All right, so last month's box cost $30, and I got about $60 worth of cards to sell on eBay. This month's was $42, and I've got maybe $5 worth of cards. It's Derrick Henry. So not quite as good as the boombox, not quite as good as last month. I'll go through some of these again and see if I might have missed something. So now my friends can really make fun of me and really make fun of football cards. So guys, I hope you're happy. Just made a fool of myself on national YouTube television. But I do have a boombox coming. Those are usually better, and a couple of mega boxes for the new Panini releases coming out. So we'll see how that goes. And in the meantime, thanks for tuning in, I guess, and enjoy.